Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop Windows 10 auto update. So this is a feature on Windows 10 which can be a bit annoying sometimes. If you're in the middle of working, sometimes it will just update, which as I say can be a bit frustrating. But in today's video, there's actually a really easy way to stop this, and it's only 2 steps really. So if you do find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So on the Windows 10 operating system at the moment, if I go into settings and then go into the update and security option, you'll see at the moment, basically with Windows, if I go into advanced options, what you can do, you can pause updates, but you're not able to actually turn them off. So I think you can pause them for up to about 35 days, and then what's going to happen, it's going to restart with the automatic updates. So that doesn't really solve the problem. But the way around this is if you actually come back to your desktop and go to the search bar at the bottom, and what you want to do is type run, and then open up the run application, and then you want to type this in, which is services with an S .msc, and then go ahead and click OK. So once this is done, you're going to get a box, a window load up, which looks like this. And what you need to do is search for Windows Update. So to do this, it's actually really simple. It's set from A to Z. So all you need to do is use the scroll bar and scroll down till you get to W. And then you see we've got all the Windows ones coming up. And just here is the Windows Update. So you can see at the moment it says under status running. So to stop this, all you need to do is simply right click, come down and click onto properties, and then what we're going to do is locate this box which says startup type, give that a click, and then go down and click onto disabled. Once that's done, go ahead and click apply and then OK, and you'll see what's going to happen. It says startup type disabled, and then all you need to do is make sure you've got that selected still. And then if you go to the left where it's got a description of what it does, what you then want to do is you'll see at the top it says stop or restart the service. Just go ahead and click stop the service. And you'll see that has finished now. Before it was saying running under status, but that's now stopped running and it's been disabled. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.